Hi, Gabriel from Queensland Timber Flooring. Ever wanted to be excited about putting an engineered or a solid timber floor in your apartment or townhouse, but felt like sometimes it didn't actually come to fruition, or you were concerned or didn't think it was even possible? We sometimes understand that body corporate requirements become very important about what you need to achieve. We understand that the likes of acoustics and height requirements in relation to fire-rated doors, other concerns about noise transference. So take us on the journey, understand what you actually require for your particular project, and see how we can actually help you. We have many products to actually offer, whether it be French oak in your solid engineered timber, or whether you're looking for an Oz native species. We have many to offer. We have many different coatings and finishes, and also different heights in order to manage those floor transitions that you may need to achieve the end result. So take us on the journey. Get in contact with us.